Welcome to this tutorial on how to edit the checkout page in Wix. Editing your checkout page is an essential step in customizing your online store and enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. To begin, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor. From the top menu, click on the settings icon and select Checkout from the drop-down list. This will take you to the Checkout settings page where you can customize various aspects of your checkout process. On the Checkout settings page, you can edit the checkout page layout, add or remove sections, and customize the design and content of each section. You can also add a custom header or footer to your checkout page to match your brand identity. To add a new section to your checkout page, click on the Add Section button and choose from a variety of options such as text, images, or videos. You can also use Wix built-in apps to add features like trust badges or product reviews to your checkout page. When editing your checkout page, keep in mind the importance of mobile responsiveness. Ensure that your checkout page is optimized for mobile devices to provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. In addition to customizing the design and layout of your checkout page, you can also edit the checkout process itself. This includes setting up payment and shipping options, configuring tax and discount rules, and customizing the order confirmation email. To access these settings, click on the Payment and Shipping tab on the Checkout settings page. From here, you can configure your payment gateways, set up shipping rates and options, and customize the checkout process to meet the needs of your business. By following these steps, you can create a customized checkout page that reflects your brand identity and provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Remember to test your checkout page regularly to ensure that it is working smoothly and make any necessary adjustments to optimize your conversion rates.